Hello everyone, welcome back. I got a simple little side project today. I printed out some Scrabble letters. I'm going to clean them up a little bit because there's a little bit of stringing on some of them. And then I'm just going to paint them with some white paint so it's a little more visible. And I'm using a really fine point on this soldering iron to just pick up the little strings, and also on, let's see, here's one with the number 4. uh, I'm also gonna do a little work on any of the small numbers that didn't come out perfectly clear. Just basically put a little accent on them, clear out the center. Like there's one that's 8 points. The 8, yeah, like letter X is 8 points. That didn't come out too clear, so I'll just give it a little dot. J is 8 points. I'll give that one a little cleanup, and the 4s, the hole in the center of the number is not visible. So I'll clean that up. Let's see. Start with you. Actually, this one, the side needs to get cleaned up a little bit. Just rub that down. The side is a little boogered. And yeah, move on to the T. I'll also clean this off with a razor blade, because when I plunge the soldering iron in, it raises a little bit of molten plastic up around the surface of the tip there, and that detail is so small. Trying to clean it off flush with this is just going to create more of a mess. So I plunged a little hole with the soldering iron, and then I'll cut it flush with a razor blade. I'm stuttering an awful lot today. I don't know why. You kind of get the idea. I think I'm not gonna make you watch me clean up all of these. Besides, I guess I got through most of it. Anyway, let me just bring one in closer. See, make sure. Maybe we could zoom in a little more. That's max. Right about there. I cannot see the viewfinder right now, so I don't know if you could even pick up the wisps. I should just bring the camera closer, right? That would be smarter. Maybe I will do that. Going down. Okay. Zoom out a little bit. Yeah, so let's see. Let's get one that's got a bit of stringing on it. This Actually, this one's not so bad. There was some ones that were worse. Okay, and now when I stick the soldering iron in front of it, it gets out of focus. That's about it. You just stay focused, please. I need to get a solution for this working on camera and keeping it in focus. I really don't have the best setup. But alright, yeah, let me finish this and then start the painting, and then I'll record a little bit of the painting process.